Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to fit the wheels so that I can mount the calipers and bleed the brakes. Okay, here's an interesting dilemma. On the speedo drive, you've got this little lug here. Sorry about the battery. Okay, so on the speedo drive, you've got this little lug, which is supposed to sit in between these two pegs, if you like. Okay, so it sits there, and those pegs kind of hold it still. But as you can see here, this is worn down really badly on all points. Possibly due to it being fitted badly. So when you do that up, it's just trying to turn all the time, and it does. So I've put the wheel on and tested it. So this is going round and trying to do that all the time. Hence this gouge here. So I'm going to try and build up, I'm going to leave that one as it is, I can't do much with that. I'm going to try and build up this peg to try and get it to locate there. Just hope you can see that on the video. Bring it around a bit more. There we go. So we want it, come on torch. So we're trying to get that to locate there. You could see if it was tightened up, it would just go round, which it has been doing. And it's probably only the cable that has stopped it going all the way around. So we're going to have to do something with that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to try and do is to try and drill a little hole there to put some sort of peg in there. It doesn't have to be deep. Okay, so I've drilled a little hole and I've put in a nail, and recently, before China closed the world down, I bought some of these brazing rods. I think that's where they came from. So I'm going to try and heat this metal up, try to build this up with the brazing rod and then file it down into like a nice little peg. Okay, we let that cool down and then we'll file it down and see if it worked. The smoke, by the way, is just the grease in there that's melted. I've taken the bearing seal out and the gear. Nope. Okay, so my first go at brazing didn't go according to plan, and I'm sure a few of you out there will tell me how to do it. I didn't want to go mad and get the speedo drive really hot and damage it. They're about £80 or £90 to buy new, so I didn't want to have to fork out for a new one. And in the end, the screw seemed to work quite well. Okay, so there we go. Not as pretty as my original idea, but that didn't seem to work, so I'll just spray it up with a bit of paint. Like I say, it's not under any particular load, so that's not going to spin now. It's just going to sit more or less in position once it's clamped down. So that's it for this video. Join me in the next video where we'll be fitting the brake calipers and bleeding the brakes. If you liked the video, hit like, share and subscribe.